call is now being recorded.
Okay, for that you will need a wooden scale. Swaraj and Udit, show me your wooden scale. Okay. Yes. You need a binding clip like this. Do you have it? A binding clip? Okay. Yes. Do you have double tape? You all can see at the back side. I have pasted double tape here. So this is double tape. Show me. Yes, Udit has it. Swaraj, do you have double tape? I'll show you how to make it. First, collect all the items, keep it ready with you all. Then we'll make the lever together. Okay. Are you having double tape, Swaraj?
Yes.
Okay. And what about the glasses? Both of y'all? Both the glasses?
Yes.
Okay. Swaraj? Okay. All right. Now we can begin making the lever. Okay. This is called a lever. Now, first of all, and you'll also need glue. Glue and marker pen. Okay. You'll need glue and also you'll need markers. One marker will do. One marker.
Is Fevicol here?
Okay. So first of all, you'll need to put glue and stick the glasses to both the ends of the scale. Can you all do that?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Put glue, stick both the glasses, both the containers that you'll have on two ends of the scale. Put glue and stick it. Put glue at the back of the glass and stick it on the wooden scale. On both the ends of the wooden scale, you will have to stick the glasses in this way. Swaraj, can you also do it? You have to? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. So leave it on for some time so that it dries. Okay. Udit, has it dried for you? No, I don't think so. It won't dry so fast. Leave it on for some time, okay, so that it dries. Sometimes the base of the glass is not straight. In that case, what y'all can do, y'all can stick it with double tape. That will also work. Okay. If the base is not even, if it is not even, y'all can also stick it with double tape. That will also work. Y'all just have to stick it to the scale in any case. All right. Yes, very good. All right. So leave it on for some time like that, okay? Then after drying, after some time, what you all can do, on the other side, you take your binder clip and it will be having, I'll just show you all again how to make it. Okay, after drying, so your binder clip looks somewhat like this. Yes, all of you open it like this. Both of you. Yes, and this you all will put it on the scale like this. See, on the scale you all will put it like this, and you all will put double tape in both at both the ends like this. One double tape here and the other one here. Just wait for some time for it for the glue to dry. Then you all can do it like this. Did you all understand, or should I show it again? Yes, like that, and put double tape. Swaraj, you have to do it at the other side of the scale. Okay, so don't do it now. Just wait for some time. Okay, you all have to do it on the other side of the scale. If it is dry, it's okay. You all can do it now. But if it is not dry, just give some time and you all can. Okay, yes. You all have to do it on the other side of the scale, not on this side. On the other side. Yes. Udit, did you understand?
Yeah.
Just give some time for your cups to dry okay, so that the glue dries up and then it is intact, and then on the other side of the scale you can paste it in this way with the help of double tape. Okay, it should be at the center. Remember, yours binder clip should be at the center, and then you all will paste the two ends with the help of double tape. Yes, Swaraj, that's the way to do it. Udit, check whether your containers are fixed to the scale.
This is not. This is also
Not yet?
No, not yet.
Okay.
Glue is not so strong. Okay.
No problem. You can wait for some time more. Okay. Swaraj, see what you can do. On one cup, you can write load, LOAD. On one cup, you can write load. Can you see? Something is written here. You have to, on one cup, you need to write load, 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 with the help of a marker. Okay? Ask Mama to help you. On one cup, you need to write load, okay? And on the other cup, you need to write effort. EFFORT, effort, okay?
And on the other cup, you have to write effort.
Effort.
So this kind of a setup is ready. Udit, check. Udit, you check whether yours is stuck to the scale.
I'm pressing it. Ma'am, can we do it with double-sided tape?
Yes, yes. You can do it with a double tape also. If the base is not even, use double tape.
Yes.
So see how it will look. It will look somewhat like this. Okay.
Blue and
It will
double
not
tape.
tilt to one side. It will be even. It will be even. Both the sides, it will not tilt to any side. Okay. It will be straight like this. It will look like this because you all have put the uh, binder clip, okay, in the center. And your containers should be of the same size. Then only you all will get it straight. Otherwise, it will tilt to one side if one of your containers is heavy. So containers should be of the same size, same type and same size, and your binder clip should be exactly at the center of the scale. Then you get this type of a setup. What happened, Adya? Is there any problem?
Yes, ma'am. We are out of double tape.
Okay.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
I've done it.
Yeah. Yeah, that will work. Okay.
But
After some time, you all can, yeah. Now, Udit, you can do this one. Okay. Put it exactly at the center. Adya, just see that he's putting it at the center.
And if double tape is not there for the binder clip, you can use cello tape also.
Is it ready, Swaraj?
yes.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let Udit finish, then we do start.
No one.
Okay. Is it ready for both of y'all? Yeah. Place it and see whether it's not tilting to one side. It should be even, okay? It should be like this. This is called an ideal lever, so that it does not tilt just to one side.
Slating. What glass color?
Where is Swaraj? Swaraj, turn your video on.
Ma'am, it's not working. The glasses are falling
So,
apart.
what are you having? Are you having coins?
Yeah.
Coins are you having?
Yeah, and are it not working? Our glasses are falling off. It's shaking.
Glasses are falling off.
Yeah, and it's tilting.
Adya, you tried with the double tape, right? Did it not stick with the double tape?
No, because it was blue already.
Adya, you can, if the glue is not drying, then you can let it dry for some time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So, Swaraj, what are you having? Are you having coins or marbles? Are you having marbles?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I have both.
Okay. You have coins and marbles, right? So,
Yeah.
what do you do? On one side where you have written load, you put the marbles. On one side where you have written load, you put the marbles. Okay? I don't have marbles, I'm putting coins. See, where you have written load, where load is written, in that container, you put marbles. Udit, are you having marbles?
Yeah, I'm having marbles and coins. More
Okay.
coins than 2 marbles. How many marbles do I have to put?
5 marbles.
Tilting. लोड मध्ये कॉइन्स टाकतोय maybe we can change it. Give me a coin.
In the load cup,
That's because Nicola ma'am does not have marbles, no? She's put coins, okay? You put marbles.
instead of marbles, yeah, you all put marbles. I don't have marbles, that's why I'm putting coins on one side. Okay, you all put marbles.
By putting coins, and it now it is not tilting because we put coins.
On one side, you all no, don't use the coins now. I'll tell you all when to use the coins. First of all, in the load cup, both of you all put marbles. In the load cup, put 5 marbles.
I will get more 3.
Have you all done it?
Yes.
In the load cup, have you all put the marbles? 5 marbles?
Yes.
Okay. What happens? Tell me. The load cup is tilted down or is it up?
Down.
Down, because it is heavy. Okay. Now what you'll do on the other side, you'll put coins and see when the coins and the marbles come level. Okay. Start putting coins on the other side of the cup, on the other cup. Start putting coins on the other cup.
More coins.
Yeah. Yes, Swaraj. Okay, we can come one by one. Okay, first, Swaraj, you can show us, then we'll move on to Udit. Swaraj, we can see yours first. Okay, you can start putting coins on the other side, on the other cup, on the other container.
It's still not balanced, right?
Is it visible, Nicola?
Yeah, it's visible. But yeah, now it's visible clearly.
You have to put till both the cups come to the same level, okay? They should be balanced. Till that time, you have to go on adding coins.
Yes, Swaraj. You have to go on adding coins till both of them come to the same level. Okay, both of them are balanced. Is Swaraj's experiment visible, Swapna?
Yes, very well.
Okay, I think why is it not visible to me?
Swaraj, now the coins have gone down, no? So remove one coin from the, put one coin less. Is it balanced now? No. Now put one coin in the cup. Just one coin. Is it balanced? No. You'll need one more coin. Now it has become more. Okay. So now what we'll do is, to make it balanced, we will take one marble and we'll put it on the other side. Put it. No, there only, in the marbles. Yes.
Yeah.
Put it. Now that has become more. So you have to do it till you balance this. Do you have smaller coins, like 125 paisa coin or something?
No. I think the least value wala is 1 rupee. Now it's kind not really balancing, but
Yeah.
a little.
Put the smallest coin.
Yes.
Just drop it. Wasn't no put.
Very good. No, Swaraj. Put a marble.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
See, it is balanced now. Very good.
Now you have, yes, now it's balanced on both sides. Okay, very good. All right, now we'll move on to
see Udit. Yeah.
Udit's experiment. Okay, even
The glass keeps moving.
yes, almost balanced. A small, Udit, just put a small coin so that, because it was almost balanced. Okay, what happened now? Just add a small coin. If you have a small coin, Udit, you can add it to the.
Or we can. Yeah. See, it happened there.
Yeah, almost balanced. Okay, just a slight difference. No. Yeah. Now it's balanced with it. It's okay. Yeah. Well done. Okay.
So what it is still a little tilted on the load side. Yeah. Can we have one coin and one marble in both?
See, it should be completely like this, okay?
Completely straight it should be. No. Udit, don't remove it. You have to add one more.
Add one. Put one marble.
You have a marble.
Yeah, I have a crack of
Put one more. Put one more marble, and probably let's see what happens then. It has to become completely straight. Okay, now put one coin. You will need little bit of something.
No, a smaller coin, Adya. If a smaller coin will be required.
Oh, it,
Why did you take the No.
Yes, I think it's. Adya, just put that coin which you put just now. It was slightly, but still it's tilted off to one side.
Marble.
Almost balanced. A little bit adjustment is required.
Marble.
remove one marble. No.
5 coins. How many coins are there?
Do one thing, Adya. Remove the lid of your Fevicol and put it on the coins side. Yeah, just remove the lid and put it in the coins side.
No, it doesn't remove.
Okay, do you have anything else that you can put it there? No, that's too big.
No, that's too big. Yeah.
You need a very small one, very lightweight stuff.
Please?
No,
Try
that's
it.
not-
That is also big, but no,
Yeah.
that's small. That's small.
But it's almost balanced. A little bit of weight just. No.
No.
It was.
No. Remove one coin. Remove one coin. And put the eraser. Remove one coin.
It's almost balanced now.
It was almost balanced.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, almost. Almost
Yeah.
balanced. Okay.
Yes, it's balanced.
Okay.
Okay.
Now see what Nicola ma'am has to tell you.
All right. So this is called a lever. Okay. So what is a lever used to do? It is used to carry any heavy object, which is very difficult to carry. Which is very difficult to carry otherwise. Okay. So a lever is actually used to carry any heavy object easily. We'll move on to the slides and see what is it.
Is my presentation visible, Nicola ma'am?
I'm just pinning on. Yeah. Okay. So today we will learn about levers. Okay. Now, what did you see at the center? Something. The center thing is called the fulcrum. All right. The clip binder which I'll put at the center, that acts like a fulcrum. Okay. And on one side you'll put the load, and on the other side you'll put some pressure. Okay, that is called the effort. So you're putting some force on the other side to lift something. For example, if on one side you'll put vegetables in the load place, you're putting vegetables. Okay, and on the other side you'll want to lift those vegetables, so you have to put some force. Okay, so that is called the effort. Or on the other side, when you'll go to a vegetable shop, what you'll see, in one side the vegetable vendor, he puts some vegetables. On the other side, what does he put? What does he put, children, on the other side to balance it? Weights. Yes, he puts some weights, maybe weight of 500 grams or 1 kg. Okay, so he puts some weight. So that is the effort. The weights that he adds on, that is the effort, and the vegetables that he's weighing, that he wants to weigh. Okay, that is the load. And there is a point where both these things are connected. That is a fulcrum. All right. Next slide. All right. Now a lever is a kind of machine. Now what is a machine? A machine is something that makes our work easy. Okay. For example, we see machines like the fan. What does a fan do? What does it help us to do, a fan?
It gives us wind.
Yes, it gives us breeze, or it gives us air. Okay. And what about we also see a machine like a fridge. What does a fridge do? It makes our work easy. What it does for us? A fridge, a refrigerator, what does it do for us?
It
Why do we use a refrigerator? It keeps the things cool. Okay, it keeps everything cool. So a refrigerator helps us to keep things cool, so that so that our vegetables, our fruits are not spoiled. Okay, they do not get spoiled fast. So what is the use of a washing machine? That is also a machine. What is the use of a washing machine? What do we do? What it helps us to do? What does a washing machine?
helps us to wash our clothes.
Yes, it helps us to wash our clothes. Okay, if we would have washed clothes like that, it would have been very, very difficult. Okay, it's difficult to wash clothes. We need a lot of energy. We have to spend a lot of time to wash clothes with our hands. So the washing machine makes our work very, very easy. You just have to put the clothes, work the machine, and the clothes are washed. Okay, so we have different kinds of machines. What is the use of a motorbike? You all must be going with your parents. Okay, you all must be going to the market. You all use a motorbike, maybe a scooty or maybe a bike. So what it helps us in? A motorbike, that's also a machine. What does it help us to do? It helps us to go to far off places, right? If we would have walked, we would have become so tired. We cannot walk up to very far off places. So a motorbike, a scooty, or a scooter, whatever it is, it helps us to move from one place to another easily. We don't have to spend a lot of energy to do that. So machines are making our work very, very easy. Okay? And lever, which we showed now, which you all prepared now, that is a kind of simple machine. All right? So these which we are talking about, these are very big, big machines. But now we are talking about simple machine. Now lever is a simple machine. Next slide. Okay. So a lever looks just like a seesaw. Have you all seen a seesaw, children? In the park? Have you all played in it? Yeah. So what happens, tell me? On one side, if you all sit, on the other side, your friend might be sitting. Whoever is heavy, they will go down. The lighter one will go up. So in the same way, your lever also works. Okay? There is a center thing which is fixed, which is called the fulcrum. On one side is the load, and on the other side is the effort. Okay? So levers also help to lift the things. Levers, I told you all, levers help to lift things which are very heavy to lift. Okay? Next slide. Yeah. So you can see what happens. Tell me what is the difference between these two pictures. Can anyone tell me what is the difference between these two pictures?
In the left side picture, this triangle.
Yeah, that is called the fulcrum. Okay. The triangle one, what is happening in the left side picture?
The capillary, this one is going down, and the finger by the hand is going up.
Okay, finger is going up and that is going down.
Yeah.
Both are going the same way. I can see both the hands going down. Down and up, down and up. What is the difference? Tell me. Can anyone mark the difference between these two pictures and tell me exactly what is the difference?
One fulcrum is in the center. And the other is on the side.
No? Okay.
Swaraj is telling you, Nicola.
Okay, Swaraj, yes, you can say.
तिला ऐकून होतंय जोरात बोल.
One fulcrum.
Fulcrum.
Fulcrum is on the center, one is on the side.
Yes, very good, Swaraj. Okay, so in the first picture, the fulcrum is at the center. And in the second picture, the fulcrum is towards this, on one side. It is not at the center. All right. So what is the difference in these two cases? When it is at the center, you have to put more pressure to lift the load. But when it is at the side, you just have to put little pressure and your load is lifted up. Okay. For example, if your fulcrum is at the center, you have to put more pressure, you have to put more force, you need to apply more force to lift that load, to lift what is on the other side. But when it moves to the side, you have to put very less force and you can lift the load easily. All right? So that is the difference. In one case, it is at the center, but on the other case, it is near the load. So it makes your work easy. Okay? Now, if you try to lift that load, you can just put a little bit of force and you can lift the load easily. Is that clear? In which case it is difficult to lift the load? Tell me. In the first case or in the second case? In which case it is difficult to lift the load? More difficult.
In the left side picture.
Left side, yes, it is more difficult. But when the fulcrum goes to the side near the load, it becomes easy. Okay, and you have to it will be easier to lift the load. Is that clear? Okay,
Yeah.
we move on to the next slide. So yes, I'll be showing you different kinds of levers today. Okay, I want to show you something. Have you all seen this? What is this, children?
This is a we cook with this.
Yes, what is it called? Tongs. Mama must be using it in the kitchen, okay? To hold something which is hot, to take out something which is hot or something, she uses this. So this is a lever, okay? Here, for example, Mama is taking up something. For example, I'll be taking up this. So this is the load.
Yeah.
Okay? Yeah. I'm putting pressure here. Can you all see where I'm holding it? I'm applying some force here. This is the effort. And see here, this is joint. What is this called? The fulcrum.
Yeah.
All right. This is the fulcrum. This is my effort, and I'm lifting something. Whatever I'm lifting, whatever I'm doing with this, that is the load. This thing is the load. Whatever I may be lifting, I may lift the lid of the lid of something. Sorry. Okay, I may lift the lid of something.
I can't hear.
What happened?
I can't hear you properly. Your voice is breaking in middle.
Am I audible now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now am I audible, both of y'all? Swaraj, can you hear me? Udit, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Swaraj, you?
Yes, I can.
Okay. All right. So this is a lever. Okay, we'll see another lever. Do you all know what is this? Have you all seen this before?
Yes.
What is this called?
It's a weight.
What is this called? Wait, I'll just
thingy.
yeah, just give me 1 second. Okay, I'll just bring something to show you. Can you all see? This is called a punching machine. Okay, we punch holes with this machine. You put the paper and you punch a hole. There is something wrong. Can you all see a hole?
Yeah.
Here?
Yeah.
Yeah. So tell me which is the load when I'm putting this in the paper. The paper is called the load, okay? The paper is called the load. Where I'm applying pressure, tell me which is the effort. Swaraj, can you tell me which is the effort? This one, where I'm holding. Here I have to press it, then only the hole will come. So this is the effort, okay? And then this is joint at these points. Can you all see 2 nuts here? So that is the factor. So these are called levers, okay? These are different kinds of levers. Okay, have you seen this? What is this called?
It's called a stapler.
It's called a stapler. So stapler also is a lever, okay? Because you need to staple the paper. So the paper is the load. You have to put some pressure here. So that is the effort. And this is the fulcrum. It is joined. All right. Now take the example of a scissors. Okay. In the scissors, when you're cutting the paper, which is the load? Tell me, children. Who will tell me which is the load?
The paper.
Paper is the load. Very good. Which is the effort?
The scissors.
I'm holding this part is the effort, okay? Because I have to put pressure. Then only if I don't put pressure, will the paper get cut?
No.
I have to put force in this part. Then only the paper will be cut. So this is the effort. And which is the fulcrum?
Fulcrum is this.
This part. You can see this red one. This is joint,
Yeah.
na? The load and
Yeah.
so this is the fulcrum. Whichever is joint there, that is the fulcrum. Okay. So understood? These are different kinds of machines. Simple machines means I'm talking about levers. See, a knife, okay, a fork. This is what? What is this?
It's a knife.
This is a vegetable peeler. Okay, you clean, you take out the skin of your vegetables with this vegetable peeler. So all these things are different kinds of levers. Okay, these are all different kinds of levers. All right, understood?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And we already did the experiment. What did you all make today?
A lever.
A lever. Very good. You all made a lever today. Okay. See, what you all did, you all placed it in the middle. You all can also try by putting this near the load. Okay. We can also we already put it in the middle. We can try by putting on the near the load. What will happen? We have to put less weight. You all can try it and you all can show us. You all can try it after the class, okay? And you all can see whether the force that you all are putting is less or more. Can you all do it? You all have to shift it nearer. You all have to, like, this is the fulcrum, right? The fulcrum should go little closer to the load. Okay? It has to go little closer to the load. Sorry, it will go little closer to the load.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what you have to do is when the fulcrum is at the center, right now you have put the clip at the center, okay? So you have to see how many coins you need to balance 5 marbles, okay? When your clip is at the center, you have to see how many coins you need to balance 5 marbles, okay? When you move the clip close to the load, then you have to see how many coins you need to balance the 5 marbles, okay? In both cases, marbles will be 5. You have to tell us how many coins will be there. Understood, Swaraj?
Yes.
Understood, Udit?
Yeah.
Okay.
But
Renuka, did you understand?
Yeah.
I didn't,
Yeah.
ma'am. I
Yeah.
didn't understand a lot.
You do one thing. Call Adhya. I'll explain it to her what is to be done. She will help you to do it. Can you call Adhya?
Okay, I'll remove the earphones.
Yeah. So you have to move the fulcrum. You have to move the clip close to the load. Okay. First, you will put it at the center, and second, you will put it near load. In both cases, you will have 5 marbles. Now you have to balance and see in the first case how many coins are there, and then the second case how many coins you need. So Adhya, what you have to help Udit in doing is, right now the clip is at the center. Okay. You have to move clip close to the load in the second case. Okay. you have to put clip at the center in the first case and at the close to the load in the second case. In both the cases, you will have 5 marbles in the load container. Okay. And you have to find out how many coins you need to balance the marbles in case 1 where the fulcrum is at the center, and in case 2 when the fulcrum is close to the load. Is this clear, Adhya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, Udit has a class, so
Yeah. We are done. We are done for the day.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. And Swaraj, you also have to submit your living, non-livings worksheet that we had given you. You had to draw living things and non-living things.
okay.
Okay. So next week you make it and show it to us. Okay.
Yes.
Bye, Swaraj.
Bye.
Thank you, Nicola ma'am.